Agriculture, the noble art of producing food, fibers, and energy by the hands of man. Cerrado, a Brazilian savanna, the sustainable agricultural frontier, environmentally viable with high capacity of development. Agricultural technology, a tool capable of generating products, wealth, and social development with a rational exploration of nature and creating sustainability of production for future generations. Campo, Company of Agricultural Promotion, a company that was born from this triple junction, utilizing technology for developing a sustainable agriculture in the Brazilian Savannah region. Campo was founded in 1978 through programs from the Nippon-Brazilian Cooperation for the Development of the Savannah, the Producer, which incorporated almost 1 million acres of Brazilian agriculture, creating poles of development in several regions in the country. The states of Minas Gerais, Bahia, Goiás, Mato Grosso do Sul, Maranhão, and Tocantins are exponent regions of the agricultural scenario in Brazil. When it was founded in 1978, the Company of Agricultural Promotion, Campo, had a great challenge: the implementation of the Producer, the program of cooperation Nippon-Brazilian for development of the Savannah. At that time, the agricultural production in the Savannah was only 1% of Brazil's production. Today, after 23 years, the Brazilian Savannah produces 53% of the grains in the country. This company went through big transformation in the past years. Now we constitute a holding of 3 companies: Campo Consulting, Campo Biotechnology, and Campo Fertility of Soils. We hope that this change and the constitution of the holding can provide a clear picture of the actions of the company, searching always to practice agriculture environmentally sustainable, so that Brazil can continue with its contribution of food to the world, even with the challenges presented by modernity. Campo today is a national reference in agriculture constituted of a group of companies providing services in the agro-business, with diverse activities in the area of production, agriculture, and environmental consulting, vegetal biotechnology, and chemistry and physical analysis. The Campo Center of Agricultural Analysis sequences and provides services of analysis of soils, leaves, correctives, soil conditioners, organic and mineral fertilizers, water, and other matters utilized in the production process. The Laboratory of Agricultural Analysis is the newest component of the group, and it's installed in Paracatu, northeast region of the state of Minas Gerais, a city characterized by its rich culture, social and economic growth. It was implemented in 1995 with the main characteristic of innovating an operational structure by maintaining a laboratorial routine, sophisticated means of technical analysis that brings precision and agility to provided services. The laboratory is a pioneer in Brazil, the commercial utilization of spectrometry of atomic emission with argon plasma. The technique is based in the quantification of photons generated by atomic excitation of the elements in analysis. This process creates high operational performance and analytic precision, providing excellent services to clients. Besides sophisticated instrumental apparatus, the service of analysis includes training to technicians in laboratory, research institutions and universities, and utilization of software in the management of analytic information. There's also a rigid internal and external quality control of analyses. As a result of this process, Campo, Center of Agricultural Analysis, occupies a distinct position in the national scenario. In Minas Gerais, it is the leader in the volume of analysis of soils and leaves. The experience of agriculture in the savanna provides the laboratorial services to be utilized by producers in the whole national territory. It is the best way to contribute so that the results of our services can be used to grow agricultural regions spread throughout the country. Campo Vegetable Biotechnology. One of the biggest advancements of modern agriculture was the implementation of biotechnology in the process of development of great generic materials. This allows high productivity and sustainability of agricultural activities. This study led Campo in 1990 to create its Department of Biotechnology in the region of Novo Mundo, rural zone of Paracatu in the state of Minas Gerais. The Biotech. Biotech has the objective of researching and developing shoots of fruitful species with high generic standard and sanitary gaze through utilization of biotechnology. In 1993, a deal was formed between Campo and Embrapa, which allowed in 1998 the operation of a bioindustry in the county of Cruz das Almas in the state of Bahia, and most recently the Campo Amazonas, located in Manaus in the state of Amazonas, that is a subsidiary with a unit of acclimatization capable of producing 2 million shoots per year. Modern laboratorial equipment and a highly qualified team allow the annual production of more than 1,500,000 shoots in each of its unities. Banana and pineapple are the main fruitful shoots produced by the unities of Campo Vegetable Biotechnology. They also develop and research ways to wash potatoes and garlic clonally. Campo Biotechnology is the biggest banana shoots producer in Brazil, sharing 60% of the national market. The demand for fructiferous shoots comes mainly from producers and rural companies in the irrigated regions in northeast, central, and southeast of the country. A team of specially trained technicians provides a follow-up to producers of the plants during their growth in the field. It is the program of assistance after sale. The shoots produced and commercialized are followed with quality and sanity certification that guarantee high genetic and sanitary standards from Campo Vegetable Biotechnology. Campo Consulting and Agro-Business. In the beginning of the 21st century, the agro-business in Brazil is an important base for sustaining the economy in the country that generates great changes, with more promising positive reflexes and perspectives to the future. In the world of agro-business, planning is fundamental, and actions of investment in the sector demand strategy and speed. This planning needs to be delivered to companies with know-how and trust, which hold experience and a profound knowledge of the reality in the agro-business. Campo Consulting and Agribusiness is founded into this profile, developing a range of activities and services available to rural producers, business and industries in the sector of agriculture. Projects of local and regional agricultural development. Projects of agricultural settlement and colonization. Agricultural promotion. Projects of integrated farming. Irrigation and draining. Irrigated fruit culture associated to agro-industry. Studies of technical viability. Economy of agro-industry unities. Organization and affairs of cooperatives. Studies of branches of agro-business. Environment monitoring. Studies and report of environment impact. Topographic studies. Geoprocessing of satellite imaging. To make all these array of services available to the market, Campo Consulting and Agribusiness counts on a group of highly qualified and competent technicians. The modern computerized equipment and sophisticated mechanism of technological support guarantee fast and efficient services with very high quality. Campo Consulting and Agribusiness is installed in Brasília in the Federal District of Brazil. Today, 11 physical units develop projects in 7 states of the Federation: Amazonas, Minas Gerais, Maranhão, Mato Grosso, Piauí, Pará, and Roraima. But all the structure and human resources wouldn't be worth it if this potential wasn't to the satisfaction of our clients. More than clients, partners. Partners that throughout the years of work have helped to concretize the solid bases, credibility, and trust of Campo. Campo Consulting, the right solution to the agro business.